Now we're going to take up one more problem on projections of lamina on the problem number 85. A hexagonal lamina of sides 25 mm rests on one of its sides on HP. The lamina makes 45 degrees to HP and the side on which it rests makes 30 degrees to VP. Draw its projections. So this is the problem and how to solve this problem by using AutoCAD software. So to do that, so first we'll go to AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Then the command is limits. So give lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210. Then zoom all. Then go to line, select some arbitrary point and takes here, give the direction through the mouse and give the magnitude or the length by keying the keyboard 297 and then you say 210. Then you just take 297 and then just say close. So then go to zoom, extends and zoom 0.6x. So this is also one mode of input wherein we can be able to give the direction through the mouse, that is the angle through the mouse, and the distance through the keyboard. Again, that is the relative polar coordinate system. So now first we'll go for a layer and you just click on new layer, type the layer by name XY and then click on new, type the layer by name front view FV and click on new, type the layer by name top view TV. Then go to layer, line weight, make it 0.05 because all the projector lines will going to be considered in layer 0. So obviously that will be 0.05. Then the layer XY will going to have 0.13 and say OK. And then the front view will going to have 0.5, the line weight. And then the top view will going to have the line weight as 0.5. So then we will going to have the top view will going to have the magenta color and then the front view will going to have the blue color and say OK. And finally you just close this. Now we will go for a polygon command. So here you first will going to write the polygon of hexagon of 25 mm side. So to do that, so go to number of sides is 6 and take the edge option and here you take this edge option as 25. Then once you do that, so you just go to line, draw a horizontal line of any distance, then go to line, take intersection part of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line. And then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between this line and this and also between these two. Then you just click on this, go to layer, click this as front view. Then again you just click on this and go to layer, make that layer as top view. Then just go to line weight display on. Once you do that, then go to break, select this line, first point, take INT of this and say at the rate. Now you just copy this first position to the second position and then rotate by an angle of 45 degree. So to do that, then just go to copy, select this by window, you select this and copy it to the next position. Then go to rotate, select this by window, take end of this, give the rotation angle as 45 degree, positive because the clockwise direction, counterclockwise direction is positive. So the line is take end point and then draw a horizontal line, and from here you take end point of this and draw a horizontal line. So then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line. So then go to trim, select this as the object cutting edge and this as the object to trim. Then go to line, take end point of this and draw a vertical line and take line INT of this and draw perpendicular to, go to perpendicular to this line. So here then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take INT of this and take intersection part of this and then intersection part of this. Then go to line, take INT of this and take intersection part of this and take intersection part of this. Then go to break, break this first point, take INT of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take INT of this and say at the rate. Then break. First point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break. First point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break. First point, take int of this and say at the rate. And now you just click on all these 6 lines and change that layer to the top view. Once you do that, then you have this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw the XY line on this side. Similarly, line, take int of this and draw the XY line here. Now the next thing is you just copy this to the next position and rotate it by angle of 30 degrees to XY line. So to do that, just go to copy, select this and copy to the next position, and then go to rotate, select this entire thing, and the rotation angle is 60 degrees. So then you just go to move, crossing, select this, then switch off the ortho mode. You move this appropriately, then go to ortho on, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then just go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and take line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this line, and then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection part of this, and then go to intersection part of this. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection part of this and take intersection part of this. Then go to zoom window. Then you just go to break this first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break, select this point, first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Now we will going to change this all the 6 lines. Select this and select this and go to layer, make that layer as front view. Then you just go to zoom previous and go to break this line till here, and now you just select this and you select this. Go to layer, make that layer as XY. Now we will just move this entire thing, crossing. So you select this and then go to break this till here, then go to DDIM, then go to modify, then you make this as also 0. Text, take the text height as 3, aligned with the dimension line, centered becomes above, so take this dimension as 3. Symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3, then goes offset from the origin as 3. Say OK and say close. Now we just go to dim, you take intersection point of this and you take int of this, so you will go to get 25. Then go to zoom window, so you just go to zoom window, you select this, then go to dim, so go to angular, select between this line and this line, so you are going to get 45 degrees. Again you take a dim, go to angular, select between this line and this line, so you are going to get it as 30 degrees. Then go to dim DED, select this, you just take it here, then go to dtext, select this and you take the height as 3, then you mark this as X, caps lock on, VP, and this as HP, and this as capital Y. So now you just go to small cap the I, B, C, caps lock off, D, E and F. So here A dash, here you have B dash, here you have C dash, and here you have D dash, and here you have E dash, and here you will going to get it as F dash. Once you do that, then go to move, switch off the ortho mode, you take X, you take VP, you take HP, then you take it as A, you mark it as B, you mark it as C, and you mark this as D, you mark this as E, you mark this as F, and here A dash, and here it is F dash, here it is B dash, here it is E dash, here it is C dash, here it is D dash. So once you do that, you just select this, go to layer, make that layer as front view, then you just click on HP, A, F, E, D, C and B, go to layer, make that layer as top view. Then you just copy, so you copy A dash and then F dash here, then B dash here, then E dash here, then C dash here, then D dash here, then you would copy A here, and that A will come here, and you copy this B here, and that B will come here, then you are going to get C here, and that C will come here, and you copy this D here, and that D will come here, you copy this E here, and that E will come here, and this copy F will be here, and that F will come here. Then go to D text, so here you mark this as A dash, and this as B dash, and this as C dash, and this as D dash, and this as E dash, and this as F dash. Then just go to move, so select A dash, then B dash, then C dash, then D dash, then E dash, then F dash. Now you just select all these 6 points and change that layer to front view, and you just go to move, so you just break this here and then go to move, select this and you copy this here. So this is how you're going to have the zoom previous, and this is zoom window. So this will going to be the final solution, and this is how you will be able to solve this problem by using AutoCAD software. Thank you.